Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find that linky stuff. Notification bell, because reasons. Let's rock. Patreon sponsored purchase. 1/4 inch by 2 foot by 4 foot. It's sanded plywood. They didn't have any BC. Awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome. If you care to help me in my endeavors, $1 a month is all I ask. So my over-under is 15, full span 14 between the framing at 7.5. And this single sheet, I can get 6 of these out of it, and that'll help me with all 3 houses. Yay! I like puzzle games. I need 7.5 out of a 23 and 7/8. Not 24, 23 and 7/8. That'll come up to 22 inches, 22.5 inches. I'll still have plenty of room for blade width. So I can get 3, 7.5, 15 deep, and then notch out the corners to make them 14. Yay. 7.5. Well, I love doing this. It's just blade width. There we go. That's 3. I need 6 overall. It'll work out. Doing the best I can to not waste anything. Especially because of how I want to build the door. I got a nice little idea for that. Let you know what it is when I get there. Well, I've got the 15. Ooh. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to need fasteners. I'd keep that shit up. And 7.5. Dead on. Dead on. All right. Let's dig some holes. get interrupted. Now that I got that squared away, I can get back to what I was doing. First thing I need to do is take that peak off the back side. Cut the hole in the third floor, cut the hole in the second floor, put in steps, roof, door. Plot the hole first. But about that much. And I decided to go ahead and use L brackets after the plate goes in. Single screw in the corner. That'd be 8. I need 24 of these altogether. Did I mention Patreon yet? See, that's why the Romans were right with the standard, not your metric crap. Romans were correct. 3 inches. That's about how big of an entrance you need, is 3 inches. I'll just use my forefinger. It's your third finger. It's the third one over. Why is it the fourth finger? That's not a finger, that's a thumb. Fight me in the comments. But I'll use both forefingers to trace my entrance. Just under 8 mil. Those playing at home. To the outside of my finger. I'm not left-handed. Sorry if I get in your way. Points of reference. 2-inch wide. Three and a quarter. Wait, 1, 3 1/8. All right. Ooh. Spatial reference. 9.5 millimeter. Yeah, you guys are good for something. That's my center. Okay, so where am I? 2 inches? 2 inch across, inch to the center. Right there. And I edited the shit out of this. And just now the lock on it broke. Yay. So 1 inch wide, 1 inch crown, 1 inch wide. Stop. Yay. Pencil slip. Stay. Hit the mark. There we go. Clamp it, turn on a light, hit it. Set the depth. Plug and play. make relief cuts on the ends. Otherwise, well, I blew out and took a chunk off the face with the, yeah, I didn't give it a relief. Oops. Hey, learn as I go. I don't know what I'm doing. Still hold nice and snug. Awesome. Place this one, then measure, find center, place second floor. I'm sure they can live with a little pencil mark graphite. Phillips 1 heads. Yay. There's a couple of these I got to put in the vise. Straighten out his little attitude. Let's get some stairs going. Alright, I'll use 2x2s from the duplex doghouse. These were part of the roof to the doghouse roof. Anyway, cut them to length, then rip them in half. 2 stairs, 2 stairs. This has been Quiet, Dignity, and Grace. Like, hate, share, subscribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.